Do you use Magaya as your transportation management system? Then our Magaya extension for Zoho CRM is just for you. As the first ever Magaya integration with the world-class CRM, it allows you to synchronize your customers' data, manage your shipment quotes from the CRM, and provide a friendly interface for your sales team. But most of all, it unlocks the door into the Zoho ecosystem. With over 40 web-based applications that aim to improve your marketing strategies, sales efficiency, team collaboration, and general business management, Zoho has over 13 million trusted users worldwide. Affordable plans and native mobile applications truly ensure that anyone can access the right information at any time from anywhere. By connecting Magaya to Zoho CRM through our extension, your sales team will reach new levels of efficiency. Let me show you how. All accounts information will remain synchronized with your customers in Magaya, so every account creation or modification from the CRM will be propagated automatically. The Web Solution List and Quote will provide you with a user-friendly interface to fill out the necessary information during the quoting process, while keeping full compatibility with Magaya. A centralized form will allow you to create a new quote, as well as to review and modify all the data from existing ones, with an easy and secure access to all of its elements. From the list view, you can quickly access basic actions on existing quotes, such as select, edit, delete, send them to Magaya, or visualize its details in the quote preview window. From here, you can also duplicate the quote or generate a PDF document to send to your customer. Magaya extension for Zoho CRM aims to expand your system by providing you with all the modules and necessary data available in the CRM tabs, helping you to manage information and automating features to speed up your quoting process. It can let you analyze your business status in depth using reports or get a quick overview through Kanban views of your active opportunities, and it keeps all the data neatly organized and accessible. All of it while allowing for the endless customization options available in Zoho CRM, both through layout design and Canvas implementation, so you don't only get the data you need, but in the way you need it. So now you know. If you're looking to gain access to modern marketing tools, improve your customers and operations management, reduce data-related errors or delays, and, all in all, maintain a full compatibility between the best TMS and the world-class CRM, reach out to SUS4 today and book a demo for our Magaya extension for Zoho CRM. We're waiting.